What's up, YouTube fam? Let's level up and make some money. Am I right? Yes! Money, money, money! So if you have tried other money manifestation techniques in the past without success, then this is the video for you, because I'm about to talk about the key that could be missing to your money manifestation success, and that key is believability. Hello, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea, and on this channel we talk about energy, consciousness, vibration, manifestation, and all of those high vibe, esoteric topics that help you keep your vibration high and keep you in the flow of manifestation. So let's get right into it. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a technique that I have used to manifest money by using levels. So I have tried using other money manifestation techniques before, and for some reason they just weren't working for me. So I would do like the journaling, the meditations, all of this stuff, and it would be like I would get some money here and there, like small amounts or like a chunk of money, but I was having trouble actually calling in sustainable income growth. It was only when I started using this levels technique that I was able to make large sustainable gains in my income. So why does this process work so well? Well, it all has to do with believability. In order to manifest what you want into your life, you need to believe it's possible, right? We've heard this before from law of attraction teachers. If you believe that the law of attraction works, it works. If you don't believe that the law of attraction works, it won't work for you. So it's the same with this manifestation process regarding money. If you're gonna set a money goal for yourself, like $1 million, but there's likely some subconscious beliefs that you have where it's like, am I really going to go from making the amount of money I'm making now to making $1 million? It's almost unbelievable, right? So in order to manifest money successfully, you need it to be believable. And the key to achieving this believability is by using levels. So here's how it works. Super simple. You're going to look at how much money that you're making currently in your life, and then you're going to say, okay, what is a believable amount that I could get next? Like if someone was to give you a raise, what's a believable amount of raise that you could get? Or like if you were to get a different job, what would you ask for? What would you offer them? Or if you were to start your own business, what would be a believable amount of money that you can manifest next in that level? So set that number. It's not your end goal number. Obviously, you're going to want more money than your first level, but you're going to start with this first level. So basically the key here is just to shift your mindset from focusing on your end goal to focusing on the next level. So if your end goal is to become a millionaire, you are not going to start trying to manifest $1 million, right? Because even though it's possible, anything that you believe is possible, correct? But if you don't believe it, it's not possible. And even if you consciously believe it, you have to look into your subconscious mind and think about all the money programming that you have. More than likely, there's a lot of programming in there that's going to push against you going from making, say, like $50,000 a year to being a millionaire. Even if you know it's possible, there's something in the back of your head that's like, but is it though? So the way to bypass this is to, instead of focusing on your end goal of making $1 million, focus on the next level. So the next level for you is going to be whatever is realistic achievable from where you are now. So let's say you're making $50,000. Perhaps the next achievable, realistic level for you is $60,000, right? Or $65,000. You're going to lock down in your mind what that realistic, achievable number is for you. And then you're going to use this as your goal for now, right? So you're going to take your focus off of your end goal and just put it on the goal of your next level. So once you have this goal set, what I want you to do is do a 30-day money manifestation challenge. I like to use the 30-day length because it's enough time to get you into the vibration, but it also has an end date so that you can really focus your energy and stay motivated on manifesting the whole length of the challenge. What you're going to do for 30 days is every night before you go to bed, I want you to do a gratitude journal where you take a sheet of paper and you just write down things that you're grateful for. So say, I am grateful for my apartment. I'm grateful for my cat. These don't have to be large things. The only thing is that they have to be things that you're actually grateful for. So if you're in a spot where I have been in this spot as well, where you don't feel like there's anything that you're grateful for, then start really small and it's totally fine and it will work. Oh, quick caveat about the gratitude journal that I want to add here. Basically, it's super important to have a gratitude journal before you do your manifestation journal because of one thing. Your frequency, in order to manifest more, needs to be already in the frequency of gratitude. So it's very important to start with the gratitude journal and then move into the manifestation journal. That's very important because the frequency of gratitude is like a required ingredient in the recipe to manifest. So do a list of things that you're grateful for. Step 1. Step number 2. do a list of things that you want to manifest and start with money, obviously. We're going to start with money. So make sure the sentence starts with the words, I am happy and grateful that I am making your goal number annually. Whatever you want to make in the next year, that's your sentence. The reason that we start with the happy and grateful thing is because the way the law of attraction works, in order to get you in that energetic frequency that's a match to what you want, you have to be in the frequency of already having it. So to put you in that frequency of already having it, you need to use words like, I am happy and grateful that I am. Present tense. Just think present tense. So once you have finished journaling your money manifestations, then I want you to do a sleep hypnosis for money manifesting. This sleep hypnosis is by Mike O'Sealy, and it is literally the one for manifesting money. So I linked it in the description. Definitely check out that. So for 30 days, you're going to do the gratitude journal. Then you're going to do the manifestation journal. And then you're going to do Mike O'Sealy's meditation, sleep hypnosis, money manifestation, reprogram your subconscious mind a little bit to align with this new flow of abundance. You're going to do that for 30 days. After the 30 days is done, you're just going to move on with your life. Really, after the 30 days, you don't have to worry about the self-discipline thing. You've already put the energetic frequency out there, and it will come to you in its kind of divine timing, for lack of better words. For me personally, manifesting the first level of money was the hardest. It took the longest amount of time for it to come into my life, and I did not think I had manifested it, but it came. So basically, set it and forget it. Okay, so after you've done this process, what you need to do is be on the lookout for opportunities, and you need to be waiting and ready to take action. I know that a lot of us, when we manifest, I don't want to take action, right? I'm manifesting, I want to chillax and have the manifestation come to me, and it'll come to you, but it's very important that you keep your eyes out for every opportunity and take action for all of them. Cast a wide net for all the opportunities that you're seeing. You're gonna notice when you do this, there's always really weird things that happen in your life that don't seem to make sense. Like just things that aren't even related to money. Know that that's all the universe working in your favor to bring you this manifestation. It's shaking up your reality a little bit, right? I also want you to consider that there are other ways to become more abundant that are not actually money, correct? So if you move to a different place where the cost of living is cheaper, but you're making the same amount of money, you are more abundant. Places can make you more money. People can make you more money. Things can make you more money. It's not just money that makes you rich. Mind blown, right? My mind was also blown. I was like, what? Shouldn't this just be money? Basically, what you want to do is get the ball rolling towards abundance. What happened for me and what might happen for you is that the ball is going to start slowly. Maybe abundance coming in a smaller form, in a different form, but anything that you're doing to get that energetic vibration of money rolling in your life, do it. Take whatever actions you can take. Jump on any opportunities that you can find. Talk to the people that are calling you. Go to the places that are calling you. Look for money and abundance all around you, not just in your bank account. Eventually, you will reach that first level, and after you have reached your first level, then you're ready to set your next level. So let's say if your end goal is to make 6 figures and you're making $65,000. Once you hit your first goal, let's say it was $75,000, you would set your next goal, $85,000, and do the same thing, the 30-day money manifestation challenge that I outlined earlier. After you reach your next goal, set your next goal again. Once you have hit this, then do that money manifestation technique that I mentioned earlier, the 30-day challenge, again. So it's really a cycle at this point, and you're leveling up every couple of months until you hit your end goal. So this is really kind of a slow, steady way to sustainably increase your income long term. And honestly, once you reach your end goal, are you going to stop? No, you might set another level, and that's totally fine. This leveling process can really be like a lifelong thing that you do every time you want to make some more money. In terms of timing, you can expect the first level to take the longest, and each level after that is going to go progressively quicker. That's what happened for me. The first level for me took probably like 8 months, honestly. It took a long time, but I just finished manifesting my third level, and it took me only 3 months. So that's how much quicker they progressively get as you move through the levels. In this practice, I'm not trying to do like a quick manifest money tomorrow type of technique. I'm trying to give you guys a slow and steady, sustainable way to manifest money over the course of your life. However, it does get a lot quicker the more times you do it. And I bet that this is because, again, the believability factor, right? Once you've manifested a couple of levels, you're pretty confident you're going to manifest another level. And so bam, it's going to happen quicker. So there you go. This is the very simple manifesting with levels technique that I'm always using to manifest money. I highly recommend this technique if you have tried other money manifestation techniques in the past without success. This believability factor could really be the key that you're missing in manifesting that money. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. If you like the video, make sure to click the like button below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I hope you guys go out there, make a ton of money, and then post in the comments about all the money that you made so I can know if this process is working for you guys. All right, well, have a great rest of your week, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Namaste.